Welcome to the POS membership module tutorial. This video will guide you step by step through using the membership features within your POS system. Upon launching the POS applet, you'll see the main screen, where key sales details like subtotal, tax, discount, total, and payment options are clearly displayed. Action buttons at the bottom allow you to select the branch, customer, member, sales agent, or choose a payment method such as cash, credit card, or e-wallet. To start a membership transaction, simply click the Member button. This opens the member selection page, where you can link a customer to the sale by searching or entering their member card number. This process ensures transactions are accurately tied to the right member for rewards and tracking. To find a member, use the search bar to look up by name, card number, or mobile number. Once you see the results, select the correct member from the list, such as Chloe Tan, to link them to your transaction. Next, you can configure how items earn or redeem points. Within the Dock Item Maintenance applet, select Edit Item to access the pricing scheme. Here you can enable Points Reward or Points Redeem. Specify the amount of points for each action, set validity dates, and choose the appropriate point currency. This setup ensures your loyalty program is flexible and tailored to your business needs. After linking a member, their information, including name, membership card number, point balance, and date of birth, will appear on the POS main screen. You'll also see sales agent, branch, and device details for reference. This confirmation ensures that every transaction is correctly associated with the chosen member, making it easy to track rewards and maintain accurate records. Payment can now proceed using any available method, such as cash, credit card, or e-wallet. Always verify the displayed member details before finalizing the sale to avoid errors and maximize loyalty benefits. To review a member's full details, simply click the Member button again. This brings up the membership page, displaying important information like membership end date, phone number, class, and current point balance. For a deeper look, switch to the Statement tab within the same window. Here, you'll find a complete history of the member's transactions, including dates, item codes, transaction types such as rewards or redemptions, and points earned or used. This feature helps staff verify eligibility for rewards and monitor member activity with confidence. When you scan or add an item to a sale, the system automatically displays the reward points earned for that item. For example, scanning a Logitech M185 wireless mouse shows points rewarded, 69, instantly updating the member's balance. If you need to exclude an item from earning reward points, such as during a special promotion, open the Edit Item interface and simply toggle off the reward points option. This flexibility allows you to manage which products participate in your loyalty program and ensures members are rewarded only for eligible purchases. To allow customers to redeem products with their points, configure each item's settings in the Item Price Edit window. Enable the Points Redeem option and specify the required number of points, for example, 4,000 DEF points, to make an item redeemable. You can also set a validity period for this offer, ensuring promotions are time-bound and easy to manage. This setup empowers your business to offer attractive redemption options and keep customers engaged with your loyalty program. You can choose whether an item offers reward points, redeemable points, or both. Simply adjust the settings in the Item's Membership Points tab. This flexibility lets you design promotions that best fit your business strategy. If a member tries to redeem an item but doesn't have enough points, the system will display a clear red warning: insufficient points to redeem. This prevents incomplete transactions and keeps your records accurate while ensuring a smooth experience for both staff and customers. The POS membership module offers flexible ways for customers to redeem products using their reward points. When a member accumulates enough points, the system can automatically set the item's price to 0, allowing the transaction to be completed with no additional payment. For products requiring both points and a small cash amount, you can configure a hybrid redemption by setting a cash top-up price alongside the points requirement. The module also supports automatic price adjustment after a top-up, ensuring the correct unit price is displayed based on the redemption configuration. These features streamline the checkout process and provide members with convenient, customized redemption options. To enable points as a payment option, configure a settlement method in the Cashbook applet. Select membership point currency as the settlement type and specify the point currency, such as DEF. You can also define a settlement limit, for example, setting a maximum of 10% of the bill to be paid with points. This setup ensures that only the permitted portion of each transaction is settled using membership points, giving you control over how rewards are redeemed at checkout. During the checkout process in the POS membership module, you'll see a range of payment options, including the ability to redeem points. To use this feature, select Points Redemption as the settlement method from the available payment buttons. The system will then automatically calculate how many points the member can use, based on their current balance and the configured conversion rate. Any applicable limits, such as a maximum percentage of the bill payable by points, are enforced automatically. This ensures that members can conveniently use their loyalty points to offset their purchase, while staff can process the transaction smoothly and efficiently, enhancing the overall customer experience. After choosing Points Redemption, you'll see a detailed summary window. Here you can review the amount being paid with points, the updated points balance, and the cash equivalent value. The system also displays the maximum redeemable amounts based on your configured limits. Once you add the settlement, it appears in the summary list. You can then add other settlement types, such as cash, to complete the transaction if needed. You can configure membership points by Pricebook to tailor promotions to specific groups or products. In the Pricebook applet, use the Rules .hdr tab to set campaign-wide conditions, such as member class, date range, or branch. Then switch to the Rules single-line tab to define item-level rules. This lets you target specific items or categories, ensuring your membership campaigns reach the right customers and products. To specify which products qualify for rewards or redemptions, edit the relevant rule and add valid item codes. For example, you can search for and include MS001, Logitech M185 wireless mouse, to make it eligible for your campaign. Adjust parameters like minimum quantity or amount to fine-tune eligibility, ensuring only designated products participate in your reward or redemption offers. To configure how members earn reward points, go to the Treatment tab and Price Set Edit. Under Point Treatment, set the price source, typically transaction amount, and choose your point currency. Use the multiply operator to determine how many points are earned per unit spent. For example, earning 2 DEF points for every RM1. Set a validity period to define how long points remain active, and choose the points type as either reward or redeem. These settings control exactly how your reward program operates. Whenever you scan or add an item to a sale, the POS system instantly displays the number of loyalty points rewarded for that item, along with essential details like the item code, name, quantity, and pricing. This immediate feedback is visible right on the sales screen, helping both staff and customers understand the value of each transaction. The points rewarded and the points currency are shown below the item name, making it easy to track how many points a member earns with every purchase. This transparency encourages members to engage with the loyalty program and motivates repeat business, while staff can confidently explain the rewards process.